Once the truck has entered completion data, as a customer, so I am now going back in as a customer, I will receive this notification almost immediately that my request has been complete, and the exact syntax, the exact wording of the notification can differ slightly, but essentially it's going to tell me that my request has been complete, what the request was, and essentially a summary of what the truck crew had entered as completion data. And so you can see things like labor, overtime standby, burner water. If I had not entered any data for slurry, it would show me that the slurry volume was still waiting to be confirmed. On the back end, the admin is going to add in the slurry costs through an uploader, and so the validation of the slurry ticket is very important so that we can eliminate any errors before the manager approves the invoice and it's issued to the customer. And so as the customer, I would have the ability to either agree or disagree with this summary. Okay, so let's just say that I'm a wonderful customer and I agree. So I'm going to click on agree, and I will have the ability to sign my name. So I'm going to go ahead and sign my name and click on submit. And it will give me a confirmation message indicating that yes, thank you for your business. An invoice will be sent to you shortly. At this point, the admin and the manager still need to provide their approvals and their reviews. And once that is done, only then will the admin user release the invoice to the customer, and that would complete the loop. So let's just say I actually didn't agree. I, in fact, disagreed. So back on here, what I would do is click on disagree. And I do have the ability to enter comments, and once I click submit, I would then get a message indicating that our specialists will be with you shortly. I can still launch a call, and that would, if I click on call us now, it would actually launch a call to one of the administrators, or I can simply wait for them to call me.